Right now, we're going to be going over tonight's homework. It's the first 25 lines of the first page, Daf Chaf Aleph, Amud Aleph. We're going to start from the Mishnah. In the Gemara itself, it is right over here, starting from Eilu Mitziat Shelo. Eilu Mitziat Shelo, these fines belong to him. Ve'eilu Chayv Lahachriz, and these he needs to announce. Eilu Mitziat Shelo, these fines belong to him. Matzah Per Mifuzar, and if he finds scattered fruits, Ma Mifuzar, is scattered money. Kurichot birshut harabim, or sheaves in public property, which are bundles of grain, ve'igulei devela, and a round cake of figs. What type of figs? Date figs. Kikarot shel nachtom, not date figs. A cake of figs. Ve'igulei devela is a round cake of figs. It was a cake made out of figs. Kikarot shel nachtom, or a baker's bread. Ma'acharozet shel dagim, or strings of fish, because they used to carry the fish on strings. Ve'chatichat shel basar, and pieces of meat. Ve'gizer tzamer, and unprocessed wool, that means wool that was sheared off the animal, halakucha mimidinat, and brought from a faraway place, meaning it's not from the local place, it's from another place. Va'anitze pishtan, and bundles of flax, ulashonat shel argaman, and purple wool, which was extremely expensive. Harei elu shelo, if the man finds any of these items, he keeps them, they belong to him. So harei elu shelo, these fines belong to him. Divrei Rabbi Meir, these are the words of Rabbi Meir. Rabbi Yehuda says, Kol sheyesh bo shinoi, anything that has a change in it. That means something that's a little strange about the thing. Chayav lahachriz, he needs to announce it. Ketzad, how so? Matzah igul, if he finds a cake. Uvutocho cheres, and inside of it is pottery. Kikar, or a loaf of bread. Uvitocho mat, and inside of it is money. Rabbi Shimon ben Elazar says, Kol kli anpuria, any vessel made from anpuria, ein chayav lahachriz, he does not need to announce it. Matzah per mufuzar, and we're on line number 12, the beginning of the Gemara. Matzah per mufuzar, and if we find scattered fruits, the kama. And how much is scattered fruits? You said scattered fruits, what's the measurement? So Amar Rabbi Yitzchak says, Kav ba'arba amot, it's a kav and 4 amot, that's what the measurement is. It's a kav and 4 amot. Hey chidami, what do you mean it's a kav and 4 amot? What are the circumstances here? One more time. Hey chidami, what are the circumstances? I derech nefila, if it was in a way that it fell down, afilu tuvanami, even more than this, he is allowed to keep it. Because if it looks like it's scattered, shouldn't you be allowed to keep it? That means the person lost it accidentally. Nobody scatters their fruits on purpose. V'i derech hinuach, and if it was in a way that it was stacked up, it was placed there, like somebody stacked boxes of fruits there, afilu batzi, even if it's just tiny little boxes, mehachi, from this, namilo, he should not be allowed to keep it. You're not allowed to keep it because somebody put it there on purpose. That means it isn't lost. So why does the measurement make a difference now? That's the question of the Gemara on Rav Yitzchak. So Amar Rav Bar Chama says, B'machnasha divei dari askinon. We are dealing with the threshing floor, where people crush their wheat so that they could get the kernels out of it, and therefore that they're able to separate the wheat from the kernels. And then they would take the kernels and use that for food, to make get the flour out of that, and they would use that for food. But they would first bring it to the threshing field to separate it. So kav ba'arba amot, a kav and 4 amot, did fish terchayu. The person comes to the field and he drops off his wheat, and he starts crushing it around the field. And then he has to collect all the little kernels. But you know what? It's a lot of work if it's spread out more than 4 amot. So the halacha is, kav ba'arba amot, if he has a kav of measurement of food in 4 amot, that's how much it's spread out. It's spread out 4 by 4 amot, which is about 6.5 by 6.5 feet, or 6 by 6 feet. Then what's the halacha? The halacha is, in this case, that the person will be lazy, and he's not necessarily going to get it. He's going to give up hope on it. He's going to say, I'm too lazy to go pick it up right now. So din fish terchayu, it's going to be a bother. He's not going to be too lazy to pick up, it's going to be a bother. Lo tarach inish, the person won't go and bother himself. Velo hadar, and he will not return. Ati v'shakilahu, to go and pick it up. Afkurim afkerlu, and he will for sure make it hefker. Batzim, but less than this. Tarach, he will bother himself. V'hadar, and he will return. Ati v'shakilahu, to go and pick it up. Velo mafker, and he won't make it hefker. Why not? Because it's easy to pick up.